24 divided by 1 over 4 times 8. We can cancel this 4 and this 8, which will give us 2. And then 24 divided by 2 gives us 12. But this answer is incorrect. In this question, we have one division and one multiplication. And as we know, multiplication and division have equal priority. And we have to go from left to right. So we start with 24 divided by 1 over 4. Now, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So, now we have 24 times 4 times 8. First, 24 times 4 gives us 96, and then 96 times 8 gives us 768. And this is our final answer to this problem.